We are at JFK Terminal 8 and in this video we're going to give you a full tour of this terminal. Let's begin.
All right, so there's web check-in, bag drop, but we tried checking in. Alia, the boys, was able to check in, but for mine it says you gotta come to the counter. They have to check your documents. 6:39.
And we see some movement behind the counters,
Yeah,
so we are hopeful.
I think they do open 3 hours in advance. I did try to Google this before coming here.
Yeah.
So I guess 3.5 hours before. The first people just went through 6:43. Right. We're checking 6:50. All counters at this point are open. Again, our flight is at 10:15.
Yeah.
Next up, we're gonna go check in, and then we'll see you guys at the gate after that.
Alright, so we are all checked in, all our bags are gone. All in all, I don't think it took us very long. It was probably a little bit of wait in line before the counters opened, but once they opened, it was pretty quick. You can see all the lines are gone, but it is about 3.5 hours before the flight time. So I'm sure it's gonna get jam-packed again once the time gets closer to the flight time, but we are now gonna head on to the security. So from Terminal 8, we have seen a lot of big airlines, like we saw Qantas, there's Qatar, there's British Airways, I see Hawaiian Airlines here. So a lot of big international airlines and flights operate from here.
Now, right behind Alia, I see a sign for Pret. If there's Pret inside, I'm definitely picking up something. Love Pret in airports. There's Farmer Fridge right out here. So in the ticketing area, they have some goodies, although there's not much seating here. So if you do arrive much earlier than the counters are open, you will be hanging out.
We see quite a few people on the floor.
Yeah,
so.
just sitting on the floor.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna head in and show you guys what Terminal 8 looks like. There's a lot of changes happening around JFK, so let's see what's new here. And here's a big sign, welcome to Terminal 8, American Airlines, of course. Terminal 8, American goes hand in hand. There's all gates, priority, pre-check, express connections, there's toilets out here. So yeah, it is a nice, big terminal. And the ticketing area is just nice and wide open. Ceilings and that mural up top that highlights all the buildings around the world. There's also air train and parking on the other side. And British Airways seems like they have this special secluded area all hidden behind those pillars.
Club World.
Club World. Gotta try that one time.
That looks very fancy.
Yeah, that does look special and unique. All right, we're gonna now head over to the security checkpoints. As soon as you go through security, you know what's next? Duty-free shop. The Connoisseur Collection and Beauty on 5th.
There is something about a duty-free on an airport. It's just, it's a feel, it's a vibe. I love it.
Yeah, I love it too. It's a reminder that something special is about to happen.
Yeah.
And in most cases, it's like international travel, which comes few and far in between. You got currency exchange. Now there's gates 1 through 10 on your left and gates 12 to 47. You can see there's a bunch of construction happening here. So depending on when you're watching this video, this construction wall may be here, may not be here, but it's really nice to see JFK going to the next level. Huge sign, JFK Terminal 8, T8. Oh my God, Shake Shack.
Woo-hoo. I am super excited. Now our gate is gate 47, which appears to be the last one, but we're gonna show you all of them and everything in between.
Where we have to highlight, if you come to Terminal 8 and you like planes, you're gonna love it because check this out. I like the placement of the plane. I love, if I go back, you can see Alia's here. The plane's like right in front. These bars get in the way, but come close and you can check out this beauty. Wow.
All right, so this is where we're going to start our tour, and this end of the terminal is where you'll find gates 1, 2, and 3, mostly operating American Airlines.
Yeah, right behind Alia is the park at T8. What you're going to notice in this tour, there is so much construction happening. There are new stores opening.
Yeah.
And we're going to show you some of the things that are coming to T8. Okay, so we're saying goodbye to gates 1 through 3. There is restrooms here, Hudson. There is Pret coming here. So we like Pret. I think
Yeah.
our last collective Pret was in Paris, and before that was in London. So London
yeah.
Bridge right there, or the Tower Bridge.
Born and bred.
Yeah, born and bred. I
That's
actually
funny.
like, I don't know, I like Pret a lot. There's gate 4 here, and here's the full flight information. You can see there is Doha, Qatar, or Qatar at 10:20. That is our flight. If you're curious about what that flight experience is, make sure you come and check that video out. We will be taking Aer Lingus next year too, so make sure you follow along and check our channel if you like aviation.
And since we are in New York City, don't miss out on this artwork, which is in honor of Helsinki. This is donated by Finland Center Foundation, New York, and it's a beautiful Big Apple.
Yeah, in honor of Helsinki. See, you're looking at the Big Apple, but inspired to book your next travel to Helsinki. More restaurants coming. This is a wine bar coming at T8. There are more restrooms here. Gates 5 and 7 on this side. 6 was on the other side. But you can tell the vibe of this airport. It's wide open. It's nice. It's quiet. Now, it is early in the morning, so this can be a little deceiving. If there were many flights leaving right now, it would be pretty crowded. But I imagine when this airport is all said and done, with all the construction done, I think it's going to be a beautiful terminal,
Yeah.
almost competing with T4, which is our terminal favorite at JFK. Now, from a vending machine perspective, check this one out. Taffy.com, caramel.com, licorice, and a nice big touchscreen. Let's say if you wanted to get a caramel, $18 for a 10, or a cardboard box, that's here. Then you also have your SIM cards right next to it. So the vending machines at airports have evolved and changed, right?
Yeah, a
Like,
lot.
We were in Italy, and we were laughing because you could buy undergarments at a vending machine.
That
And-
is hands down the funniest vending machine we've ever seen.
yeah, yeah. You can, yeah. See, the kids are finding it funny, but yeah, no, it's convenience too.
Yeah.
And I have never seen anybody purchase from these vending machines. So, and we do travel quite a bit. So if you're somebody who would buy a licorice or caramel, undergarments, meats, cheeses from vending
Makeup.
machines, comment below. Let us know. You're gonna notice some really nice seating here. There's Bowery Meat Company coming. You can check out the huge glass windows. That is awesome.
And my favorite has to be the plants. Anytime you see plants, even fake, I think they are real, but even if you see fake plants in an airport or any terminal, it just brings you a whole nice vibe to the whole setting.
It looks like a lounge. Honestly, it really looks like you're walking through a lounge. Seating, you can sit down with your laptop. Yeah, the lighting. And there is iPort, electronics store. And then we are heading towards Gameway. All right, so
Bye.
guess what we're doing? We're leaving the boys. We're going to be playing some Roblox, some games together at Gameway. Yeah, so we dropped our boys at Gameway, which is a Priority Pass lounge. Now, if you are not familiar with it, you can go check out our video. But if you do have Priority Pass, you can get a snack and a drink and an hour of gaming here for free. It's included. It's like one of the best deals that you can get. Sometimes, I mean, we are with kids. It's even better than sitting in a lounge, right? The kids can have fun. While they have fun, Ali and I are going to go and show you guys the rest of this terminal. So there's a Hudson store here. Now, there are 2 new stores that open. Starbucks, which,
It's a beautiful Starbucks.
yeah, looks really, really nice.
Yeah, and you have a view of the runway outside from the
Yeah.
Starbucks. It's new, of course, so it looks really nice, but I think it's a nice layout also.
Yeah, and my favorite in any airport, especially in New York, is a Shake Shack, which is right over there. So as soon as you enter, that's what you see. We made a left to show you guys gates 1 through 10, And now we're going to continue on gates 12 through 47 straight ahead. I'm walking by Brooklyn Brand, which is a juice bar and cafe. It's closed right now. It's about 8 o'clock right now.
Yeah.
There are a bunch of flags here. Like this whole area is getting a facelift. So now we're walking through the slightly older part. There are signs here, fall into T8. So Shake Shack, Starbucks, Dos Toros, Minute Sweets is also here, Dunkin, Golden Crust, and Jimmy John's. So quite a few new restaurants, fast food, amenities coming to T8.
So we have come across another Hudson Marketplace. And on this side, we have American Airlines and British Airways Lounge. There's straight ahead, there's gates 14 to 20. This side is baggage claim, but on this side are gates leading up to gate 47. So,
and you would be interested to see Peach Palace by Momofuku is coming soon. The lounge continues. You go up and you can access those lounge Alia was mentioning, and behind Alia is yet another ad for a hot perfumery and a Bubbles on 5th. So plenty of new stuff coming.
a lot of stuff coming up, but what's confusing me is the lounge names. All the lounges are for American Airlines and British Airways, and it's all on the second floor. But the lounge that we saw there is called Greenwich Lounge, and there's Chelsea Lounge and Soho Lounge. So I wonder what's the difference.
So this is if you have credit cards, Soho, and if you're flying first and business, you have Chelsea. When we walk by Greenwich, we'll see what Greenwich is all about. So here we are, gates 14, 16, 18, and 20. This is what the seating area looks like. Now, we are flying on Qatar Airways, our first time, and we do see Qatar right across. That's where we're going to go. This tour is going to include from gate 1, which we saw, middle gate, and 47. That's where our plane's standing. Let's go close and take a look at that aircraft. And there you have it, a 777-300 by Qatar Airways. Really nice. Now this also gives you a good perspective if you're on gate 14 and you have to now go to gate 47. You gotta get out of this area and then walk all the way to that side. So Greenwich is flagship business. I think we have learned quite a bit about American Airlines lounge situation at T8. All right, Alia, we are done with Gameway, and now we're going to continue the tour. Those gates in the higher end, all the way up to 47, is where we are headed next. So as a tip, if you have a gate that is above 30, you may want to budget some time. We're going to do a time check. So it is 8:39. We're going to walk over to gate 47. Let's see when we get there. A couple of very clear signage. There's a currency exchange, very cute little cart. There's that American Airlines aircraft that used to be right at the entrance. They have moved it here, but you always have to come and check this out at T8. Shout out to the artist Charles Fazzino, commissioned by American Airlines from New York to the world. Look how cool that looks. Now this bridge also has plenty of plane spotting to do. We spot our plane, which is Qatar. Behind there's Cathay Pacific. So for gates 31 to 47, just check out the escalator that heads down. It's far down that you have to go.
We're going under the runway.
Yes. So you go under the runway and then to the other side. That's why it's important to budget enough time if your gate is above 31. All right, here we are. This is the pathway. You can also check out Admirals Club and gates 31 to 47 all ahead. And time check is 8:45. So far we have not stopped anywhere. Next up are Bonnie truffles. You got truffle potato chips and whatnot. And then you have more Brooklyn shopping ahead. So there's two sections. One side is 31 to 42. We're going to go check that first. In these gates, there's plenty of places where you can dine and shop. Brooklyn shopping, Italy, Cafe, Starbucks, Elidoro, Dunkin, Hudson, Bevo Kitchen, Arrow, and Dos Toros. So right behind Alia is gate 42. There's a bunch of construction happening here. But they do have some place where you can pick up some drinks and snacks. Here's a Tender Crush crispy chicken opening. We are walking by gates 40 at this point. Now, because of the construction, it looks a little small, but it's similar to the other side of the terminal where there was gameway, those like really nice seating. We are walking by gate 41. A little bit of seating here. We are walking by a giant burger picture. Black Tap is coming here. Gates 31 to 39 up ahead, and you have Ali Doro. It's a really nice looking shop, and Dunkin on the other side. 38 and 39 right next to I Love New York Gifts. When the restaurants open, I think it's going to be really nice because you can just come here directly, eat, relax, all in one area. We are walking by gate 36. On the other side is gate 37. Here are Minute Suites. You can always check. Sometimes I do see a P there, so they do offer priority pass access.
I
which
think
is
I
really,
see it.
yeah, I see the
Yeah.
P. So that's also very nice. If you do have priority pass, even though they don't have traditional lounges, like where you can sit and eat a full
Yeah.
buffet, there is Gameway and there is Minute Suites. Gates 34 and 35 with plenty of places where you can charge. And here we are towards this end. There are gates 31, 32, and 33. But it's not so depressing back here anymore because they have those Toros,
Yeah.
and they also got Zaro's Family Bakery. If you guys hang out in Manhattan, you know what Zaro's is. Now we are back in that main entry area and heading over to gates 44 to 47. Italy is open here. Really nice seating, like that they left the glass open. They also have some nice cupcakes, and look at those cannolis. We gotta check those cannolis out. Yeah, that looks delicious. Here we are at the Starbucks. We are at gate of 46, 47, and 45. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us and seeing what some of the new stuff happening at T8 at JFK in New York City. Make sure you come back, check some of our other adventures out. And on that lovely note, we're gonna catch you guys in the
Next one.
bye for now.
Bye.
It is
Let me
pretty
come
cool
out
to
on the other
experience, heading down under the runway. If only the runway was made of glass, that would be pretty cool. Bevo Kitchen, Mother Earth, I Love New York Gift, Minute Suite.
Construction. Here.
It's a little loud because there's quite a few folks working here doing the construction. Italy's opening. Ouch.